Hey everybody, welcome back again. So, today is the day that they are going into the freezer. Not the red ones, just those. I'm a little late on them, and they got kind of big. So, but anyway, I want to get them going. Here's the setup. So the scalder that I had talked about before is right here. So first of all, of course, the cones. They get put in the cones and dealt with. Then I have the scalder, and it works fabulously well. It just takes time to warm up. Got to give it an hour or two ahead of time to get warm enough. I use the lid. Without the lid, it takes even longer. But anyway, all this stuff works really good. See, it's closed up. Last time it was open, but now it's closed up. So it stays dry. Nothing can get to it. Then I have the plucker. So they go there, and then they go there, then they go there, and they come here and get cleaned up, rinsed off in some water, and then they go on ice in here. Then after all that's done, after we do them, there's like about 27, I think, that are left. Then we go and we put them in here, in the little bags, kind of shrink wrap them in here, and then put them back on ice, and then that's it. And I'm going to do it, and then I'll show you all the finished product. Ciao. All right, just finished up with the birds. I didn't get any video of that, but here they are. Got plenty of them. Just going to set them in the freezer now while I count them. But we got this thing filled with the feets and all that stuff. I said feets. Anyway, you know what I mean. Went pretty good. I left some of the smaller ones for another day. So. 28 birds. Unfortunately lost 42 with the cold weather. Ironic, isn't it? They're going to get in some cold weather right in here too. That took about 2 hours to do. 2.5, I think. Not too bad. So that's all we got. All gone. All right. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Ciao.